guys, welcome to another Minecraft video. Wait, I haven't even made anyone. Wait, what do you mean I haven't made anyone? Alright, I have not actually made anyone, really.
I forgot to give it back
So,
to him.
I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so we're trying to obtain wood so we can make stuff for the thing. Yeah. Okay, obtaining. Oh,
Naiiwan, parang pinag-call sa akin, nakasakit, umuwi ka agad.
okay.
Hindi ko nabalik.
Okay, I think we only need this much.
Ang babae, bakla siya. Oh, wow, no shit siya.
There you go. We make this all wood.
Why are you so stupid, you nigga?
There.
Mama, Huwag ka na magdahilan. 14,000.
Okay.
14,000. Magdahilan ko. Patingin ko sa'yo. Ikaw nga dyan, buko. Paano sa mama mo? Mataas.
Okay, now we're obtaining stones. Like, what the heck? Hope we find coal in the process. And we already found iron. That's very good of a thing.
I'll show
But
you
hello.
thing. It's the bulb. You know those bulbs? Like this.
There we go. And there we go.
Just keep holding it and then you can like do this now.
Give me this. And let's make all of those. Let's mine the iron. That's all of it?
Yeah, we need to have a high.
Really? Okay. Whoa, really? Oh. Okay, once we get up here, we'll make slabs. For some reason. And two. And there you go.
What the hell? I'm sorry.
We gotta find a spot. Like a good spot. I guess make it here. Let's start making our base now. Whoa, what the heck, bro?
What? Why are you looking at me like that, idiot?
What? Whoa, what the heck?
May horror mods yan.
Yes.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die.
Yeah, this concept's wrong. I got to do something else. Okay, we need stairs. Yes, we need stairs. Anyways, Bo, stop being autistic. Whoa, what the heck, Bo? Bo, the man in the fog will get here somewhere. You answering me something?
I want you to suck my cock, brother.
No, no thanks.
Are you recording in that stupid app again?
No, I'm not.
So today somebody just redeemed it and I'm sad about it. Like, I was like, why did you redeem it? Why did you redeem it?
Bro,
He
why
did
is
not
that?
give it
Why
back.
is that now a joke, bro? I thought that was shit, bro.
No, but for real, bro. He stole my fucking money. I was trying to scam this guy.
No,
for
how
our
did that
family.
freaking meme became a freaking actually meme?
What meme? It's not a meme.
No. All people in my school started to say that shit.
So you're calling me getting scammed from a scammer as a scammer? Shit. Like,
I think
Why
you're
did you
dumb.
redeem it?
Okay.
I don't think you're good in Minecraft.
I am good.
By the way, I had a new friend in school called Amir. He always so good in making food.
Don't be so Indian. Indian
the
or
fuck?
Pakistan.
What the fuck, bro? We're Indian. Why would I?
We're not Indian, bro. We're Philippines.
Well, I'm adopted from Indian. I'm
Shut the
Amir.
fuck up.
Why did you redeem it?
Why can't you shut the fuck up?
Your little big bro just got scammed and you're saying me to shut up.
Yes.
What the hell?
What in the hell?
What the fuck, brother?
Bro.
What the fuck are you talking
Hold on, I'm
about?
about to break this tree.
Why did you redeem it?
I'm about to break this tree, bro.
Why did you redeem it?
Whoa, stop being loud.
I'm not loud. I am friends with Amir.
Okay.
Why, brother? Holy fuck.
But what the heck is it doing here already?
Holy fucking fuck. Is that what I think it is? Is it fried chicken? Big fat. Oh my god. Looks like Savior. I also have a friend named Savior.
Okay.
He is autistic.
Okay.
He is just like you, my brother.
Okay. Boom.
I also met this guy that always cooks. What's that
I
called?
don't think you'll
Chicken
get
butter, peanut butter. He always says, ding dong, eat it well and mix it up. Ding dong, what the fuck am I going to your house and give you one?
Yeah,
Why did you redeem
there?
it?
He's right there.
Why did you redeem it? Why did you redeem it? Why the fuck are you
I
getting
think he's
closer
stuck.
to it? Why did you redeem
What
it? Why did you go? Why
Oh,
did you
fuck no.
jump? Why did you redeem it?
Whoa. Oh, shit.
Oh my
See
god,
there?
this is sheep.
No, I don't think
Wool
so.
is very expensive in our family. So if you guys want to know, we live in Petron, Philippines, BCDA,
Why are you giving
Diego
our...
Silang,
Why are you giving our...
Jollibee. We are in BCDA MB404. Please give us wool because our bed is hard as hell. And we're naked as fuck. So when you're watching this, we're just using blankets for sheep.
What the hell?
My little brother that is stupid in here that just started doing.
Yup, I see your little head, bro. Hold
Like
on.
your little head down there.
My name is Aki. Tangina mo, Aki.
Ha ha ha!
My little brother is very corny. Please forgive him.
Yes, I'm corny.
What time is it, my brother?
It's 5:53.
I'm gonna draw.
Why did you redeem it?
Bro, I need to find sheep.
Oh, end that video and post it already. I'm gonna get it in 6. Oh my, why the fuck would you redeem
No,
it?
I'm not. It's not 6. Right?
Huh?
It's not 6.
Why?
7 daw ako tapos hanggang 9 ka.
What the hell, bro?
Oh, Aki's there. Aki!
Wait, naglalag ako.
Why the hell would you go down?
Wow!
Go back instantly!
Bro!
You
Yeah.
stupid motherfucker.
Bro,
Aki's going
he's
to
fucking fast.
Patay nga eh.
He's actually fucking fast.
Why did you redeem?
Blood, it's good.
Nanama ka nimpa ka rin ah. Lombale
What the-
bamba damba ka rin ah.
Did I add that mod?
The sexist mod.
Whoa! It's just a tall black man. I know.
Man,
No,
what
it's
the
just an
hell,
Enderman.
boy? You're so...
Oh.
You're PvP piece of shit.
Oh, Philippines. Ay, what the fuck?
Philippines. What the fuck? Oh, it's the bold one, blood.
Where?
In your... Oh my gosh, the midnight lurker behind you.
Dude,
Never
That's not.
mind.
you not have a bed, bro.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
You need a bed.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
If you're not gonna sleep, the bold one is gonna get you, bro.
Yeah,
If you're not in this platform, the bald one's gonna get
oh
you,
my
bro.
gosh, the midnight lurker.
Yup, it is here. He's actually here.
It is the Bombela Bombag Macarena, but no Bomban. Where is Aki going?
I'm lagging.
I think Aki. Oh, Aki.
Aki.
Aki. Go up here, you monkey!
Okay, since there's no monster.
You motherfucker, how did you forget about midnight lurker?
Hey, where's
Yo! It's the man in the fog, bro.
Why did you go there? You just have to
The
go
freaking
up.
man in the fog.
Get up!
Oh yeah, he's actually trying to go here.
Man
Oh,
in
Aki,
the
wag! Bro, I'm gonna push this guy, bro.
push.
Nah, I can't. What?
Wait,
Oh, Aki. Yo, my cousin died.
Y'all are gonna die. He's
Nah, Kevin already died.
Oh shit.
What the hell is this?
Bro, how we gonna... Huh? And he left. McKenna already left.
What the fuck I'm gonna drone, bro? Ding dong, ding dong. What the fuck? I cannot drone.
Ding dong, eat it up.
Damn, he already got here real quick.
Ding dong, what the fuck? I'm gonna go lost and give you one.
This guy, no joke.
Who's back there?
Gabi na ako na nga.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. What the fuck?
Oh! He was waiting for me. Oh, not today, baby. Not today. You're getting my legs.
What the fuck is this?
Yo, why did you break it? Boo, why did you do that, Kevin?
Ako yun, si Ulap yun.
Don't do that, Ulap.
Oh my god!
Ding dong, ding
I'm dying. I'm dead.
ding dong.
Wala. Uy! Okay, then you're never gonna come back to this motherfucking world.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Ding dong, what the fuck?
The big problem here is skeletons. And I clearly... Oh.
What the fuck? I'm died already.
Nah, whoa, Kevin, what the heck are you doing?
Si Ulap naglagay niyan, bobo.
Well, it's right. There's a skeleton.
See? I'm not stupid, guys. I'm the king of the nigger.
Whoa! Shit.
You're dead, mother. You're dead for sure.
Standard cause. Boy.
Nag-join pa lang, no? Naglalag ako eh.
Ah! You nigger!
Neggers.
No way he just said that. He's not even black, guys. He's white.
Oh, damn. Damn, chill, bro. Tell this guy to chill.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
Y'all are very fucking.
Please don't kill me.
What the fuck? Ding dong. Eat it up. Eat it up.
Yeah, I recorded it.
Dapat pakita ng oras. Alright, bro, just end the video.
6:40.
Not even the time, bro.
And then pause it, because if it's 6, I'm gonna get that instantly.
Gago, may nag-i-stream na mga
Oh, kaya 1 hour lang tayo.
Huh?
1 hour each.
2.
Ah? Hindi naman yan 2 hours eh.
2 yun.
Hindi. Those are 2 hours later. What the heck? Ihinga ba yan? Sige na.
Sige na, 1 lang. I get what you mean now. Because 5 to 6 is just 1 hour. Okay, but end it now and then pause it.
Oh, we're not sticky.
Why did you redeem it? Why did you redeem it?
Oh, I'm so cool.
Why did you redeem